Hey guys, today let's learn how to unhide posts from your Facebook timeline. So in the case that you guys hidden some posts from your Facebook timeline in a specific method, and you want to go ahead and unhide those posts, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys step by step, just how to basically do this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and locate where are those specific posts that we have hidden. So we could actually go ahead and tap on our Facebook application right here first. And you could go ahead and log on to your preferred profile or preferred account. And what we want to do and access next is the option to see the post that is hidden from our profile. So to locate where that is, all we need to do is tap on this menus option on the lower right corner, and I want you to proceed with tapping on your activity log. Now, your activity log is going to be located under the settings and privacy. So tap on settings and privacy and tap on settings right here. And let's scroll down until we see the activity log. Now, let's tap on activity log, and I want you to scroll down again till you see the option to view your logged actions. So tap on logged information, and as you see, we have these options to view the logged information. But what we want to go ahead and look at is the specific activity that we have done before with our posts, of course. So let's try to see where that is. We do have some personal information and other activity over here. And if we want to go ahead and see the specific posts that we have well hidden before from our profile, let's try to see where that is under the posts option right here. So let's wait for this to load. Okay, so once it's already loaded, let's tap on filters over here, and let's see if we have the option to view the posts that are hidden from profile. So let's tap on this again. Wait for this to load, and we could actually see each individual post that are hidden our profile, as you see right here. And if you want to go ahead and unhide them, just go ahead and tap on the three dots over here, and then tap on Add to Profile. Now, it's that easy, guys, to go ahead and unhide a specific post from our Facebook timeline. So please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.